everyone, this is Butan TV. Now look here guys, what I've got is in our own dialect we call it saging, and well, hirap kasi pag mag-English na. Naubos na lahat yata. Okay. So guys, ito yung snacks namin. I know this is good. And this is very healthy snacks and the mid-afternoon. So now, as you can see guys, they're very tiny because they're not kasaba. What do you call this one? Ano nga to ya? Klase ng saging ya? Ha? Ano kuyaka? No, it's saba. Ito yung saba. So saba is different from the cardava, diba? They're very cute and very small, and ang gusto ko kasi nito kasi kanang Bisaya na naman. Siksik ang laman, tingnan mo.
Siksik, liglig, umaapaw.
Liglig, umaapaw. So this is Butan TV guys. Hello again. And I am here now trying to post a new video for para lang ma-update yung channel ko. So ganun pa rin as of now. Siguro mga 1 year na rin ako. Well, na-demonetize ako. So upload muna ng upload muna ng video. So thank you guys, kain tayo. So thank you. Ayan sarap no. Thank you everyone, bye and have a good day always.